Hoover, what are you doing? What are you doing, Hoover?
What you doing, boy?
I'm not doing nothing.
Well, you're about to do something.
Hello, Miss Muddy Paws.
Well, Hoover?
Look at your paws. You're so muddy.
Mom, I'm going to make Hoover turn into Fur Rocket.
Ah. Okay, no jumping on the person
Hoover.
with work pants on. What are you? Does his face itch or what?
Yeah.
Is that fun, Hoover?
Is it fun?
Is that fun? You look like you have a big smile. Scratch his belly. You need your belly scratched. He says, yeah, scratch me. Give him belly scratches. Make him ride the bike.
Hey, boy. Ride the bike.
Ride the bike, Hoover dog. Slurp. I'll show you a bike.
Got him.
Fuji, why are you eating the grass? That's not even premium grass.
She doesn't mind.
So, did you puppies have a good day outside?
Of being itchy and rubbing your face in the dirt.
Is that how dogs shave? What in the world is he doing? I think he needs you to scratch his face. See, he's wagging. He says, yes, scratch my face. Now, human.
That or he's doing it for fun.
Simple human, scratch my face.
Gonna try.
Maybe he just really, really loves the ground. Is that... Hoover, your tongue's dirty. He's got a bunch of dirt on his tongue.
What?
He's got a bunch of dirt on his tongue. Hoover, buddy, have you been eating mud pies? Huh? Did you eat some mud pies?
Hoover. Come here.
Hey, look.
Got you. He just rolled over because I touched him. Watch this, doggy.
He is really dirty, too.
No.
You like laying in the grass?
Sneeze
Sneeze
on
again. He really likes it.
I turned you over.
Oh, uh-oh. Oh, you've turned on the fur rocket. Oh, no, the fur rocket. Run, fur rocket. Pew. Go get him. Oh, here he comes back. Oh, get him, Fuji. Get him, Fuji. Are they going in the shop? Ah, get him. Rawr. Get him.
They're fighting.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite?
You tell her, Hoover.
Who's your favorite racer?
I don't know. Rawr. I bet if you run, they'll run after you right now.
There you go.
Is he playing dead or is he just that tired?
Fur Rocket.
Go for Rocket! Go for Rocket!
Woo! Fur Rocket.
Where'd they go? Are they going to get in the swimming pool? Pew! Ew. What's he doing? Gotcha, puppy. He's very busy riding the bike. Yeah.
Take a look at this.
Scratch his belly. Run! Run, Hoover, run! Fur Rocket!
No, thank
Sweet boy.
you.
You're a sweet
All you
boy.
have to do is just push out his booty.
Sweet puppy.
Like that.
Sweet puppy.
Or turn him
Still got
over.
dirt on your tongue? Wow.
Can I please
that
get
funny?
a chair? No.
Whoa.